too wet to fly the drone, so I thought I'd kill two birds with one stone. Let this little tinker have his walk, and we'll have a walk down to Deep Pit Bridge, see what's happening there. Don't know if Network Rail have done it or somebody else, but put extra stones down on top of Highfield Road, making it a lot better to walk on. I think it must be something to do with the council. It looks like it's actually heading into, yeah, into where the pond is. So it's got down to Deep Pit now. Got the mesh fencing around it. The other day they had the fencing, which was solid. It all blew over, so I think they compromised with this. So we're just having a look now. Just have a little bit of a zoom in. Apologies for the shaky camera. Dog's pulling me a little bit. They've dug out the foundations where the ramp used to go up. So I'm just on the public side of the mesh fencing. Pity can't send the drone up really because it's absolutely chucking it down. You can see there they've got the other type of substructure on this side now that they had on the other side the other day. So I've just come around to the other side. You can see there how deep they dug out the foundations. Looks like the bridge just literally just sits on them piles of bricks that they've got there. Over to the Hindley side of the bridge now. You can see that since the last video got quite a bit more scaffolding up on top of that. So I think what I'm going to do, leave it at that for today. If I do get a chance during the week after work before it goes dark to bring it down, send the drone up if the weather's conditions okay. So keep tuned to the channel. Hopefully have another upload about it during the week. Thanks everyone.